Hi student, in this video we will learn about common tool space, symbols and meanings. We must need to know about these all symbols when we are working in Civil 3D to know about drawings and objects. So here are some symbols and we will learn them one by one. The first one is yellow triangle. It's represent the object or style is in use. It's also appear when there is a dependency to the object or if the style has child style. For example, you will see this icon on the surface when a profile has been created from any surface in your drawing. So it's plus sign. It's very common symbol in Toolspace. When you click this, it will expand the object branch of Toolspace. For example, I have alignment. Then you can see here we have some plus signs. When we will click here, it will expand. If we have more surfaces, then you will see plus sign against the surface here also. So another sample is symbol. You can see minus. It's mean you can collapse the object branch of Toolspace. When you will plus, then you can see it's changed with minus because we can move back with minus sign. Another important symbol is like a dark dot. It indicates a collection. Data resides in a collection and more information will be listed in the item view. You will see this item same like this in the Toolspace also. So the next and very important symbol like yellow, it's called warning sign also. You can see this symbol many times in the Civil 3D. It's the object needs to be rebuilt or updated. When you see this yellow sign, it's mean you need to rebuild your surface, your alignment, your profile, or you need to update this. So this icon can also indicate a broken data reference also. So when you are working with any surfaces alignment, you can see against any surface or alignment, here it will be show the yellow sign. So when you will hover your cursor on this yellow sign, it will show you the reason why it's and what it's need to be. So the next one is Civil 3D. You can see with two lines. It's Civil 3D may still be processing the object or the collection prospector need to be refreshed. When you are working with any surfaces here and it's have much points or much contours like millions of points you are processing here in Civil 3D, then you can see this type of symbol. There's your Civil 3D still in processing or you need to refresh your Civil 3D. So the last symbol with arrow, this symbol next to an object indicates that the object is data referenced from another drawing. A large version of this icon is shown next to the data shortcut branch of the prospector tab. When you will see that a shortcut here, it is you have this symbol and you can also experience this symbol belong to that X reference file. When we will also learn about X reference file in some next chapters and we will also exercise them. Hope you like this video. Please